Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjas liang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Ki noilam jongka Meghalaya SSA School Association haka khatatrik urempang arja pesan ki la Mudui daka Ejahar Pyrshah yau Tengsey Sangma haki Pulit jongka Sadar Police Station Shillong halor ka jingsna be anya ka wei ka Facebook page haka kerteng jongka Meghalaya SSA School Association bat haka kerteng jong Presiden Kaseng ba Aristotle si Rembai haba keren skila patai ku buar hadien beladap ban ujor ke Ejahar uba Aristotle ula ong ba ula yo jingtip halor kani Hakamit si baar ka khatway trik urempang arja pesan. Ulaong ba kani ke jingsna bean ya ka Facebook page ka kerteng kaseng. Kala yalam bakala haduk kata tai kinohi kai school SSA bat ikipat ba nong song snong haka jela.
Mentaka sengi na kalian jongi ka Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body ngiwan hangne ha Sadar Police Station Shillong nak bentaban file ya ka FIR. Halor ka way ka fake Facebook account kabala create the Nau beriu bak kerteng u kirin bak marak. Haka kerteng jongka Meghalaya SSA School Association in short Mssasa bat kumjuru haka kerteng jonga kumu presiden jongka Meghalaya SSA School Association Aristotle si Rembai. Tiya kani ngi nakalian jonga ban nakalian jongi hi kum kaseng ngilap haka por menin janmit. Te kani ka post kala long viral bha te nakalian jongi ngilawan mentaka sengi Nagmataban lodge ya ka FIR hang ni for further investigation nakaliang jongka police department. Nalo nang ta susu hapo jongka ni ka group way no bru ba kerteng ku Tengsey Sangma. Una share ka way ka post ka bangi hi nakaliang jongka association ngis ngau bangi penremjur ya kum kini ki jai post ki ba pen kurmar khamtam ki parano hikai SSE jongi ba kum juru hi ya ki nong chong chnong jongka jela Meghalaya hi barok ka way. Tinakaliang jongi maneng ile ya keren hi but ki police officer in charge hang ni bangi ong ba kedai ban investigate hak ba dei bat kani kabenta kat kum kaching tho ka jong ki hang ni ki ong where is the leader, why still silent regarding salary, how will send our children to school without money, without food life is impossible, we are not animals. In Khasi Hills MDC election is going to be don't vote for NPP, we want Khasi CM not Garo CM. As a Garo, I hate Garo CM. He is useless, good for nothing. CM NPP party is careless party. NPP party is family dynasty. Dear Khasi friends, don't vote for NPP party in MDC election. Tenagalian jongi hi kum kaseng kum Meghalaya SSA School Association. Ngi penremjur ya kanika ya kum kini kijat post ki ba labano hakawai kaliang ba kta mat yong ya ka association bar kum juru ya ka keteng jonga kum presiden jongka seng. Te kebaar ngi kwa ban pa ka message baro kino hikai SSA kat kum ka jimbudin jongi last week but ki official jong education department hak bai dai bat katulop jong benai January nakaliang jong ki official jong education department ki lihat ho yangi bakila proses ya kane kam badang hakni ki candidate singi kila yo ya ka phone na ka central government ka badai ka third installment but menta kidang up bakan credit kane ka pisa na ka account jong ka central government saka account jong ka state par kila ong yakani mara yo ya kapisa hakini kisisi arsingi kin credit no kin process ban credit no saka account jongki chaki personal account jong baro kin ka SSA hapo ka jela Meghalaya tingi sngew ba haba nakaliang jong ka department kala le ya ka badon kam kala de process ya ka file akbade bat katulop jongi tekani kalong ka ka datang ban pentho bria ya ka seng jongi kum kino hikai SSA ka Meghalaya SSA School Association bat kum joro ban pentho bria ya ka kerteng jonga kum presiden jongka nek association
kai try ke jing tumu selender jongni brio ban pentho bria ya ka kerteng
akbade bat kata ngamla ban comment ai namar utip hi khambha maki ki ba create ya kani group kai ka intention jong ki haba ki create ya kum kani ka fake account po Facebook but kai ka intention jong ki haba ki post ya kum kini ki jat post